Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you don't click here on me down here, and you just click here on me. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click on this sign here. When you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on notifications, click on it here. Then you come to this list here. Come here to 1 hour before start of fasting here. Click in this sign of this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That mean here 1 hour before start of fasting disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.